Here are the instructions for how to take basic attendance on MyED BC in elementary school. So the first thing you're going to do is access the MyED BC website by putting this URL into the box: https://www.myeducation.gov.bc.ca/aspen/logon.do. And so that you don't have to type that in every morning, I would recommend that you save that into your bookmarks so it's easy to access. Another way you can access the login page is to go to the West Vancouver Schools website, go to Resources, and under Staff, just click on MyED BC, and that will also take you to the login page. That should take you to a screen that looks like this. At that point, you're going to put in your login ID and the password that you've been provided. Once you're logged in, you'll see a screen that looks like this. Up in the right-hand corner, you should see your name. Then you'll see over here that you're logging in at this point for Division 2, and you have both AM attendance and PM attendance. There are two ways to access the attendance. One is that you can go up to the attendance button here. The second is that you can click on this little list view. So I'm going to click on the morning attendance for Division 2. You'll now see the students in your class over on the left-hand side along with their pupil number. After that, you will see four little boxes: A, AE, L, and P. The system automatically defaults to present for every student, so you'll notice that you can't actually push down on the present button. You then will report on the following. If they're absent and you don't know where they are, you would click absent. If you know where they are, in other words, they're absent with an excuse, you would click here. For further clarification on how to use this button, see the absent with excuse video. And finally, if before you have posted attendance the child shows up late, say they're 5 minutes late, they come in after O Canada is sung or something, you would click the late button. Once you've done that for all the students in your class, you click post. The goal is to have that done sometime within the first 15 minutes after the bell rings, and again after lunch. Once you've finished doing attendance, you need to go up to the left hand and click post. You're going to get a little pop-up window, and you need to click yes in order for the attendance to register properly. If you realize afterwards you've made a mistake or you need to make a change, anything after that point needs to be done in the office by the office staff. If you go back to your home page, you'll see that beside that attendance for that class, you've got a little checkbox saying that the attendance was posted, which means it's now properly been posted to MyED BC and the office has received a copy of it, which means you are now finished. When you're doing the after lunch attendance, you just need to make sure that you go to the PM attendance, and you can just double check up here to see that it says PM attendance. Otherwise, taking the attendance is the same thing. Present is the default, and you have your three choices here. Once you've done the whole class, you would click post, and that then goes to the office and you can log off. Finally, if when you log into MyED BC you don't have access to your class, you cannot do attendance, or if the students that are in your class are the wrong students, please see the office admin at your school so that they can help fix that for you.